I have here an olive oil sprayer. You can see I've already got some olive oil in here. It's a nice glass container. It's going to make it perfect for spreading oil across foods. So it's got a nice handle. You're just going to squeeze the trigger to spray. It comes out in a really nice fan pattern so that you can get a nice even coat on the food. And the glass, got a glass bottom down here, so it's going to not contaminate the oil at all. So I'm spraying some shrimp that I'm going to cook on my barbecuer. It has a really nice even coating to it. Makes it super easy to spray my shrimp. So the nozzle is designed so that no oil is going to go to waste. It's not going to get all over the place or drip or go anywhere. As soon as you release the trigger, it's going to stop spraying so you don't end up with drips or any wasted oil. This olive oil sprayer works really good. It's super easy to use. You're just going to unscrew the top, fill up with oil, put it back on and squeeze, and it's going to have a nice fan pattern. So it's going to make it super easy to get a nice even coating on whatever you're spraying.